If you're looking to get the most out of TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the key features of the software and explore how you can optimize your workflow to boost productivity, improve sales, and streamline your processes. Stick around until the end, because we'll also talk about some alternatives that may better fit your specific goals and give you access to exclusive deals. So, how can you get the most out of TeamGate CRM? First off, it's all about getting familiar with the pipeline management system. TeamGate allows you to organize and track your sales opportunities efficiently. The drag and drop functionality makes it easy to move deals through stages and keep track of where everything stands. But to truly maximize its potential, you need to make sure you're customizing your pipeline to match your business needs so it reflects your exact sales process. Next thing, use the activity management feature effectively. With TeamGate, you can create tasks and reminders for yourself and your team. This keeps everyone aligned and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. However, while it's a great tool, it could benefit from better integration with third-party calendar apps. A lot of CRM systems excel in this area, and that's one thing to keep in mind. The third thing to highlight is the reporting feature. TeamGate does offer insightful reporting that gives you a clear picture of your sales performance. This includes both individual and team performance stats. It's really helpful for tracking progress and identifying bottlenecks. However, the customization options here are a bit limited compared to some of the more advanced CRMs out there. While it works well for basic reporting, more complex datasets might need a more robust tool to analyze effectively. Now, let's talk about the mobile app. TeamGate offers a mobile version, and if you're on the go, this is definitely a plus. It gives you access to your CRM and allows you to update tasks and deals. The downside here is that the mobile experience isn't as smooth as the desktop version. It works fine, but you may find some features more difficult to navigate when you're away from your desktop. Next, the integrations. TeamGate integrates with several popular tools like Google Apps, Zapier, and MailChimp, which can make your workflow a lot smoother. But when it comes to deeper integrations with some industry-specific tools or more advanced features, you might find TeamGate lacking. If you're in need of more sophisticated integrations, you may want to consider looking into other CRMs that offer that flexibility. The final point to mention is customer support. TeamGate offers a pretty solid help center and support options. You can get assistance through chat or email, and they have a helpful knowledge base. However, responses can sometimes be slow, and more in-depth support could be improved. If you rely heavily on support to resolve issues quickly, this might be a point of frustration. Now, before you make your decision on TeamGate CRM, you should know there are a few amazing alternatives worth considering. These alternatives might offer features that better align with your specific goals. They also come with extended free trials and some exclusive benefits that you can only get through our link. If you're serious about boosting your team's productivity and ensuring a seamless experience, these alternatives may provide just the edge you need. So, before you click away, check out our exclusive offer with these top CRM platforms in the description below for the best free trial and extra benefits. Remember, the right CRM can make all the difference, and with the alternatives we've shared today, you're sure to find one that fits your needs even better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to take advantage of the exclusive deal we've arranged for you.